1 second. ఉన్నది చెప్తా క్లాస్లో కూడా చెప్తాను ఇప్పుడు. అదే వెంటనే పంపండి. ఓకే సార్ అని వచ్చింది. కాదు, అది మీటింగ్ గురించి. మీటింగ్ 33 కదా, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ 33. It seems some of you have net problem. That is why only 50 could join now. Okay, right. This is the list of prefixes which we already studied. Right. Do you remember yesterday we went through this list of. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I told you to write sentences for these words. Splendid. Tolerate for at least tomorrow. Please, all of you, show me the sentences using these words. Okay, you have to show to the camera. I will check. Okay, and then prefixes and suffixes we already learned. And then a jargon is another a very important term. Just you have to learn what it is. You please read it.
A jargon is a type of language that is used in a particular context and which may not be well understood outside that context. Learn the words related to your field to understand the concept. Practice learning words to a particular item or increase your vocabulary.
Particular item or place to improve your vocabulary.
Context which may not be well understood outside the context.
See, jargon means what is the? Have you understood? Can somebody explain? Or you please go through it again and then tell me.
Jargon is a language that is used in particular context.
Can you give me an example?
That can't be understood correctly, but
Okay, that may not be understood by others. So for example, you friends,
you have to learn.
Friends of 15, 16 years of age, they have certain words, they use certain words which we may not understand. Okay, some words may be used by only mining labor, or some words may be used by only youth, some words may be used by only old people. Or for example, let me tell you, chum is a word. Chum means friend. You can say that with your friend. Hi chum, you can say. And that is understood only by your friends, but we don't use that word and we don't understand. Okay, they are the words related to their field. Mining, for example, mining engineering, or some mechanical jargon. Mechanical engineering students use this particular words which others may not understand. Electrical engineering students may use certain words which may not be understood by others. Okay, watts, volts, that is the jargon of electrical people. Okay, so please check the meaning of jargon in a dictionary or on net, and you will understand it more. You can have, it is not actually dealt in detail in your textbook. Just the definition is given. Jargon is a type of language that is used by only particular people of particular profession, people of particular area. Now, come on, quickly use as many words as possible in 60 seconds for cinema. Keyword is cinema. CINEMA. Whatever words come to your mind, you have to write immediately.
Camera, hero, heroine. Director,
Camera,
Camera,
hero, heroine, director, editor, editor, writer,
Producer,
acting,
choreographer,
actor, actress,
styler,
makeup artist,
Yeah,
photography, pictures,
yeah,
costumes, song,
yeah,
song composition,
video shooter,
yeah.
graphic,
villain,
camera
writer,
people, and the
graphic
graphics
editor,
fight,
editors.
editor, producer,
Yes.
junior artist,
artificial settings, sir.
Yes.
dance choreographer,
dance,
Now,
choreography,
now,
Costumer,
now take again some 3 minutes time. Write as many words as possible using these keywords. Now I'm giving you time to write down. You write. Don't tell me. You write. Within 2 minutes, write as many words as possible using those 6 keywords. Yes, now you can tell the sentences. I mean, words.
cricket,
Yeah, quickly.
bat, ball,
Bat,
wicket,
bat,
six,
ball,
bat,
out,
ball,
out,
ground,
empire,
cricket stadium,
Empire,
cricket
PRS,
stadium,
Players,
members, coach,
caller.
coach,
Sir, I'm Swati,
players,
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah, yeah.
stadium, cricket stadium,
cricket bat, balls,
Yeah, you go.
blouses,
cap,
vegetables, ladies finger,
captain,
sir,
Yeah.
kitchen,
Empire.
sir, for kitchen,
How
cow
about
kitchen,
cylinder,
vegetables, stove,
cow cylinder, paint,
cylinder,
gas,
chopping board,
next bowl,
utensils,
vegetables,
spoons
fruits,
holder, knife holder,
fridge,
refrigerator,
oven,
yeah. Vegetables.
cooker,
cookers, cooker, oven,
oven,
tomato,
Potato, cucumber, carrots, tamarind.
Yeah, yeah. Continue with vegetables.
vegetables,
carrot,
vegetables,
brinjal,
cabbage,
aloo,
onion,
ladies
tamarind,
finger,
potato,
ladies
potato,
finger,
tomato, cabbage, cauliflower,
cauliflower,
cabbage, cauliflower,
capsicum,
Yeah.
red capsicum, yellow
tomato,
capsicum,
chili,
ginger garlic,
onion,
cucumber,
Mm.
chilies, red chili, green chili,
Okay.
peas,
Car,
red
car,
chilies, green chilies,
car.
seats,
car,
brakes,
Benz,
accelerator, steering,
Audi,
headlights, mirrors,
car, bench,
Yeah, parts of
Range
car.
Rover,
Yeah, right. Yes,
Wipers.
there are varieties of cars, right? BMW, Benz, Range Rover, etc. They are also okay. But tell me about the parts of a car.
seat belt,
seat
Right.
belt,
steering,
speed
Yes, yes,
seats, engine, bumper,
yes. Very good.
steering,
Yeah,
handbrake,
right.
tires,
wheels,
horn, horn,
headlight,
Right, right,
horn,
right.
side
horn,
lights,
Yes,
mirrors,
very good.
mirrors,
glass,
Mobile,
wipers,
mobile.
mobile phone,
airbag,
points,
apps,
apps,
Hmm. You must know, must be able to give.
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp,
GPS,
Instagram,
WhatsApp, Instagram,
gallery,
Facebook,
camera, radio, clock, calculator,
Hmm.
alarm, calculator,
Smartphone, future phone, SIM card,
Yes,
Instagram,
right.
telephone, cellular network,
About ship, I am sure you
Apps
don't
for
know many
online
words.
classes.
Instagram, phone, calendar,
Yeah,
Chips.
settings, contacts, Twitter, Chrome, Google Meet, Zoom Meet,
right. Very good.
PDF scanner,
Okay.
Ghana.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube,
Yes.
Gmail,
YouTube. WhatsApp. Facebook.
Google,
Yes.
Chat,
Yes. Yes.
Share Chat,
Google Chrome. Game.
IMO.
Okay. Okay. Mostly you have given the names of the apps, but parts. Do you know about the parts? Do you know?
Searchlight.
Battery.
Camera.
Yeah.
Camera. Speaker.
Camera.
Speaker.
Camera.
SIM.
Insert.
camera.
SIM insert.
Charger pin.
Now ship. I think
Antenna.
antenna. Right. Antenna. Ship. I am sure you don't have many words for ship. You can learn. You can check afterwards. Now, some tips regarding vocabulary. You please read the tips. What are the tips? Vocabulary can't be learnt in isolation. That is a very important point. In isolation means just meanings. If you learn just meanings, you don't remember, you don't understand. What is important to learn vocabulary? You have to learn vocabulary in context. Context means when to use that particular word, how to use those words. That is more important than knowing the meaning. If you just know the meanings, it is not useful. You have to know how to use those words. That is why he is saying vocabulary can't be learned in isolation. Ontariga, isolation means ontariga. If you just note down difficult words and learn their meanings, you may not remember them for a long time. నాకు కూడా అంతే అవుతుంది. I don't remember. And one very important thing is you have to convert your passive vocabulary into active vocabulary. I think that was the first or second slide. Active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. If you don't use those words frequently, that will be in passive vocabulary and you don't remember after a couple of months. If you continuously use them, they will be in the list of your active vocabulary and you will remember them. Okay, so what is very important to improve your vocabulary? Not just learn the meanings of the words, but using those words in sentences in various contexts is very important. Okay, when you learn a new word, use it in writing or conversation. Use new words in conversation. Only then use it. Create a situation where you can use that particular word and then use frequently. Whenever you come across a new word, use it number of times. Then that will stick in your mind. You won't forget. Okay. So the best way to improve your vocabulary is through reading. Read constantly. Read newspapers. Read different books, and listen and watch television. A number of English channels are there on television. You can watch. Instead of watching, you better listen to the sentences and to the words, how those words are used in sentences while watching English channels. And vocabulary quizzes you'll find in English magazines and newspapers also. In the Hindu or Chronicle, in all the newspapers, once in a week, they will publish quiz. Okay, word puzzle, crossword puzzle. You have to put some pressure on your mind to remember those words. So while filling crossword puzzles, you may not remember immediately. You have to apply your brain. Okay, and read newspapers and journals in English. These are the most important things in vocabulary. Let me once again, active vocabulary and passive vocabulary we learned. And while learning a new word, we learn new words by context, by looking up dictionary, by prefixes, by suffixes, by roots, by compound words, synonyms, antonyms, and one-word substitutes. Synonyms, antonyms, and one-word substitutes. Now we are going to learn. After a minute, we are going to begin that. That is in next lesson. And some prefixes we learned, suffixes, and we used some words in sentences. This is just to give you an idea. Whenever you come across a word, you have to use it in a sentence. Only then you remember. And jargon. Jargon is a language of a particular people. Okay. And then we wrote maximum number of words in a minimum time. Okay. Now, I don't know how to. Now, can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
can,
sir.
what can you see?
Synonyms and antonyms.
Synonyms and antonyms.
Synonyms and antonyms.
Next lesson is synonyms, antonyms, and one-word substitutes. So the best way. This is nothing but words. We learn number of words in this lesson, and in exams, just these words won't come in. Different words may come in your exams. So you have to improve your vocabulary regularly. Okay. Synonym. What is a synonym? Where is that?
Meanings of the words.
Meanings of words. Instead of words having similar meaning. That is syn. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Words having similar meaning. Synonyms. Words having opposite meanings. Antonyms. Okay. You please read the definition.
A word or a phrase
word or a
that means
phrase that
exactly
means
or nearly
exactly
the
or
same
nearly
thing as
the
another
same
word or
as
phrase.
another word
Example, synonym.
same synonym and another word
Very
is very useful for learning synonyms. For example, small,
Very
large.
useful for
and
learning
antonyms
synonyms.
is a
For
word that
example,
means the
small
word
and
that means
The
another word.
opposite of another word. Synonyms
Synonyms
and
and
antonyms
antonyms are opposite to one
antonyms
another.
is a
Antonyms
word
can be
that means
also
the opposite
formed
of
also
another
using
word.
prefixes or
formed by
dictionary.
using
The
prefixes.
opposite
The
of one
dictionary of
Useful for
antonyms
learning antonyms.
useful for
also
learning
Pleasure of
formed by using
prefixes
prefixes
to
provide
provide the
of
antonyms.
antonyms, for
antonyms is
example,
useful
light and dark
for
are
learning antonyms.
Are
Is a
opposite.
provides antonyms. For example, like
Next is an
short
class.
for opposite.
Opposites.
Okay. Now, to put it simply, synonyms are words which have similar meanings. I am using similar meanings. Actually, same. I have written here the same. I mean, is it giving similar or same? A word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same thing. Nearly, exactly or nearly. Usually, nearly. Similar words. Usually, we don't find exactly words which give exactly the same meaning, because similar meaning. And antonyms are opposite words. And then one word substitutes are the words that replace a group of words. Instead of using 10 words, you will use only one word. Okay. When you can use only one word, why use 10 words? Right. So it replaces, just one word replaces number of words, group of words. They are called one word substitutes. For example, fear of high places is acrophobia. She has acrophobia. What is the root of acrophobia? Major root of acrophobia? Tell me. Anybody? Phobia.
phobia.
This word phobia. What is the meaning of phobia? Phobia means
Something
fear.
disease.
Phobia means fear. If you are afraid of something, you can say, I have some phobia. I'm afraid. I am afraid of darkness. Are you afraid of darkness or not? Some people are
No,
afraid
sir.
of darkness. Some people are afraid of being alone. Some people are afraid of being in groups. Some people are afraid of English. Some people are afraid of. So everybody will have his own fears. See, if you search the word phobia on internet, you will have number of phobias are there. Number of phobias will be there. We are not going to study all those phobias. Just one phobia we have given. Acrophobia means fear of high places.
Heights.
Fear of high places. The mountains, maybe fear of climbing on mountain. When somebody is on mountain, that person will be afraid. So that is fear of high places. And please note down these words. Tomorrow, you bring synonyms for these words quickly. Write synonyms. We are going to stop the class because next class, I think you have physics.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Physics madam is ready to take your class within 5 or 6 minutes. So you note down these words and come to tomorrow's class with synonyms for these words.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Have you noted down or just you took a screenshot? Better note
Screenshots.
down. Screenshot is okay. When you don't have time, you can take screenshot. But when you have time, because if you take screenshot, you may not read it again. But if you write, while writing, at least you read delightful, clever, delighted, ponder, banner, capture, indecisive, famous, gigantic, hold, impossible, exaggerate. Okay, how many words are there? 12 words are there. For these 12 words, you bring synonyms tomorrow. Okay? With this,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I hope all of you have
Okay, sir.
all of you have given attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tell your friends that attendance we are submitting attendance to the department every day. We don't know tomorrow they may ask, they may not ask for attendance, but better you attend classes. Tell your friends. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.